If you want to free up storage on Nothing Phone 3A, then you can go to Settings, scroll down in the settings a little bit and go to Storage. And you should be able to find, for example, the Smart Cleanup, which we can use from time to time in order to check if the phone is in a good condition and if there is something that we can do in order to clean the phone. Over here we can also read this information that file fragmentation occurs during phone usage and can cause performance degradation. Smart Cleanup will intelligently defrag your phone to improve its performance. Besides that, here we can also find the summary of different app categories, or categories in general, of files. And we can take a look how much space is taken by each of these categories. And you can also tap on these categories in order to, for example, open with an app in order to see those files. And of course, then you can decide what can be removed from the phone. We can also find the free up space by Files app by Google, which allows you to manage and free up space as well. So you can choose this option as well. And we also have trash too. So some files that you remove, and they have 30 days before they are removed forever. So until that, they of course still occupy your space. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.